right, looks like our teardown is going to be complete on the 1967 Camaro. You see a bunch of marks for places that need to be addressed. Everything's off the car that we're going to pull. May not be 100% what you would do in a professional shop, but this isn't a professional shop. This is Aaron McAdoo here, doing it the way we're going to be able to do it without too terribly much work. This is again, a at-home driveway, two-car garage type paint job. And we're just here to make this thing a nice 5-footer, something that you can cruise around, little nicer than a daily driver status car. Like I said, this is a budget paint job, not a lot of money, but hopefully it'll turn out to where it is a good looking car in the end.